final year. Okay? Wish you all the best.
Radha, why do you want to be a dancer?
Because I like dancing and I like when people clap for me.
Just come forward, spread out a little. Yeah, come here, go one step back. Great. Can everyone put their hands on their hips? Yeah. So, dance is all about movement. It's about how your limbs interact with the air, how your expressions speak to the audience in front of you, how the rhythm of your hands is in perfect coordination with the rhythm of your legs. And to get that kind of coordination, we will do something that is called a tali. So, let's do the tali. Ta, ithi, naka, dini. Ta, ithi, naka, dini. Ta, ithi, naka, dini. Ta, ithi, naka, dini.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I'm actually Sachi's father, and I was looking at the way you were teaching dance, and it's really refreshing.
Thank you. Sachi is a wonderful student. She's a natural.
I guess that just flows in her blood. So, her grandfather, my father, used to be an Odishi teacher. He was one of the first men who ventured into this field.
Have I heard of him?
His name was Sri Ganesh Das. Ma'am, are you okay?
I'm sorry. He was my teacher.
Um, is your name Radha Mishra?
Yeah.
No one could see it coming. It's definitely not your fault.
I know, but at that time it was the biggest jolt to my life. My own guru passing away at my Arangetram. I was probably named the cursed dancer after that. Never got any invitations for a function, and my love for the public just grew into a fear.
Um, Sorry, but we have to get going. Sachi's mother's getting really worried right now. But
I'm sorry. I'll just see Sachi tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
we'll start with yesterday's cleanup, okay? So, ta, ithi, naka, dhini, okay? So, the first beat, ta, ithi, naka, dhini, ta, ithi, naka, dhini. Hands like this. Do it with me. Ta, ta, thi, ni, thi, na. Kad, tak, ta, thi, ni, thi, na. Ta, ta, thi, ni, thi, na. Kad, tak, ta, thi, ni, thi, na. Ta, ta, thi, ni, thi, na. Na, dhinna, kitta, tak. Let's do your Bhumi Pranam now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I have something for you. I know this means so much to you, and he would have wanted you to have it anyways.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. So, shall I take your leave?
Radha ma'am, why did you want to be a dancer?
Because I love the silence. Right after a performance, before they clap or react, that silence speaks how much they're moved by you.